At 3 o'clock on, we get into the rain, and then it becomes steady, and then it becomes heavy at times tomorrow night. We have what to expect up here, and it more or less summarizes where we're going with this. This is an important rain event because we've been very dry for the last 3 weeks, trace here and there of rain, and now all of a sudden we get punched, and punched pretty hard for about a 6-hour period of time. The heaviest roughly from about, let's say, 11 p.m. to about 5 a.m. Tomorrow afternoon it starts. It's heavy at times. It could be a rumble of thunder. Wednesday morning should end very, very early. The rainfall amounts 1 to 2 inches. That could be conservative. We're going to put out the modeling tonight. That could be upwards of 2 inches plus, depending on the model. 42 degrees, 37, 34 degrees up to the north. You can see the cloud shield beginning to move in. That's one. Juiced up atmosphere with a lift out of the Gulf of Mexico. That's two. And here comes the rain. You can see again, give or take an hour, 4 o'clock. Then we get into moderate. Then the yellow to the orange that you see becomes moderate to heavy, and the deep red is very heavy. Where that lines up later on after midnight, Tuesday night into Wednesday early, that alone can give you a ½ inch if we get into it. It's progressive, and again, we're going to watch the clearing or skies brightening, and that's Wednesday in the afternoon. And for the balloon ceremony on Columbus Avenue, it's going to be just fine. Now, the rain amounts, you can see this is our graph model, has close to 3 inches in spots. Better than that in White Plains. So we're going to look at our 1 to 2 inch rain amounts, and we'll see if we have to upgrade it at all. But that's a lot of water in a very short period of time. The culprit, storm developing in the Ohio Valley. Second culprit, storm developing in the Appalachians that tracks right through the city, and that can produce a lot of rain when storms do that all by themselves. So here's your forecast, and again, the balloon ceremony is going to be okay. The winds will begin to diminish. It should be fine for the high-flying balloons on Thursday, 54, mostly sunny skies. There was a race in God's Love We Deliver as they give out so many turkeys during Thanksgiving. That was yesterday, and the runners were out there. The kids were out there. It was a great day in the park. Tomorrow, schlep at the umbrella, but that's going to become a stick because the winds will pick up with the frontal passage. Wednesday, the breeze will diminish late. Thursday, Thanksgiving Day, looks really like a gem. 54 and a lot of sun. Then the chill is in. We stay dry on Thursday and again on Friday.